Welcome back, gardening friends. While gardening is a wonderful hobby, it's important to stay safe while you enjoy it. Today, we're sharing essential tips to protect yourself from the sun, pests, and common gardening injuries. Let's get started. First, let's talk about sun protection. Prolonged sun exposure can lead to sunburns, heat exhaustion, and even skin cancer. Here are some tips to stay safe. Wear sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to all exposed skin. Remember to reapply every 2 hours. Wear protective clothing. Long-sleeved shirts, pants, and a wide-brimmed hat can shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, especially on hot days. And don't forget to take breaks in the shade to cool down. Pests can be more than just a nuisance. They can also carry diseases. Here's how to protect yourself. Use insect repellent. Apply a DEET-based insect repellent to keep mosquitoes, ticks, and other pests at bay. Wear gloves. Protect your hands from insect bites, stings, and harmful chemicals by wearing sturdy gardening gloves. Be aware of allergies. If you're allergic to bee stings or other insect bites, carry an epinephrine auto-injector and know how to use it. Gardening can lead to injuries if you're not careful. Here are some tips to prevent common gardening injuries. Lift safely. Bend at the knees and keep your back straight when lifting heavy objects. Use a wheelbarrow or cart for heavy loads. Use tools properly. Keep your tools sharp and in good condition. It's important to use the right tool for the job to avoid strain and injury. And don't forget to warm up. Stretch your muscles before starting to garden to prevent strains and sprains. Take regular breaks to avoid overexertion. By following these safety tips, you can enjoy gardening while protecting yourself from the sun, pests, and injuries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Stay safe and happy gardening.